Welcome to our deep dive into IPTV legality in the United States. Let's discuss. First, let's clarify what IPTV really means and how it operates today. IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television, an alternative to traditional cable services. Now, let's dive into the legality concerns surrounding IPTV services in the USA. Understanding copyright laws is crucial as they govern content distribution and rights. Many IPTV services operate legally by securing rights to stream specific content. However, some services offer unauthorized access to copyrighted content, raising legal issues. It's important to research and choose providers that respect copyright laws. According to the FCC, unauthorized streaming can lead to significant penalties for users. So, how can you ensure you're using a legal IPTV service? Here's a guide. First, check if the provider has contracts with major networks and content creators. Next, read reviews and user experiences to see if others have faced legal issues. Also, reliable providers often have clear terms of service outlining legal usage. Now, we highly recommend .2tv.store as a trustworthy and safe IPTV provider. 2tv.store offers various packages and channels while ensuring compliance with laws. In summary, always prioritize legal options and protect yourself from potential risks. Thank you for joining us. Hit thumbs up and subscribe for more on IPTV.